Right. So word on the street is Facebook Messenger slapped you with a violation, homie. Don't fret, cause we all been there. See, Facebook got like community guidelines. They call it something fancy, like community standards. But basically, the rules of the game. Y'all feel this way, you know what kind of posts might get you flagged. So check it out online. It ain't nothing hard to find. Or look at here, Facebook community standards. Rate is they rate is every single day. Rate is so good, right? Ain't hard to find, but respect it like your home. Respect the community Facebook guidelines. Now, if you think Facebook done goofed and you message was straight up G, then you can contest that mess. See, here's how it goes down. First, open Messenger on your phone. Now, this fly Pargo. Give your phone a little shake. There's a mini 8 happening. You know, it's just that if you open Messenger, you'll be able to report any blogs, any logs, any report any problem. But that's not the issue here. We have a Facebook guideline problem, right? You got a strike. You have to report a strike. Now I ain't got any strike right now, so I won't be able to show you. But the only way to fix this is to report a problem. Write a smooth message to Facebook. Explain what's wrong, what went down. Keep it cool. Let me know you think. Let them know you made a mistake. You made a mistake, so they can fix it up. You know, slide your username, your email, and then submit and let Facebook do their thing. Alright? Now, if your Facebook might put your account on timeout, even straight out ban you. So it's best to keep it chill and follow the guidelines, right? Now, homie, the problem here is if it's a guideline, if it's a strike, and if you can't really report it, you can't contest it, and all. Then because strike is it's a big deal, then you won't be able to fix it. But if it's reports, I'll tell you from my own experience, I had this problem. Usually if I have a business account and if I put down in the description, put down a disclaimer, I can add a disclaimer so people will know if I have a video, some graphics, some accident or something. I just have to follow the Facebook guidelines. Then I don't have any problem with reports. You know, Facebook reporting my video. So in this case, that's what you gotta do, guys. I hope you found my experience helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.